Welcome back. It's time for match number 18, the second of four today. And rock bottom Pune Jaguars up against the Punjab Patriots, who would love to seal a spot in the semi-finals today. And we've got a lovely crowd that have enjoyed every moment. Look at that youngster. He says, I'm not going to listen to you. Let me stand up and scream. I love this sport. We are set for the first game of match 18. Diana takes on Connie Perrin. Love one. Punjab, the smiles are out already. Ankita Bhamri, the team mentor. Once with the slice, Connie Perrin. And the put away at the net. She's all over it. She joined us in the commentary box yesterday and enjoyed that. But we're enjoying her on court, watching her do what she does best. Excellent court coverage, anticipation from Connie Perrin. Just looking to keep it in play. That is the smart work that we expect from Connie Perrin. And there's that backhand. Wow! The Swiss Miss is here to delight.
The crowd loving it. They were chanting, Connie, Connie. And interestingly, they're cheering for Punjab. Comes to the net. The elegance with those volleys, and now that smash. A combo of power and grace is Connie Perrin. The grace here, the touch, and then shows us what a good-looking smash looks like.
This is going to be tough for Pune to come back from. Again, the long exchanges. Going to the backhand of Diana. Look at that drop throw from Connie Perrin. That is just a beautifully crafted point, and she gets the crowd going as well. She gets Taapsee on her feet, and the Punjab Patriots are well and truly alive.
And this is a new Connie Perrin. Look at her after this point. Take a look at the celebration from Connie, orchestrating that crowd. The Swiss is enjoying this moment.
There you go, finally a point to Diana. Relief on her face a little bit. And her teammates standing up saying, come on, fight now, fight. Keep this going. The Patriot, meanwhile, the mascot in the stands. As Connie Perrin continues to put a smile on Taapsee's face. Matthias Bo alongside her. And it's Connie Perrin who has taken charge already. 9-4. Staring at a massive win. Just sets the tone for the rest of the encounter. Oh, Diana, silky smooth that time. Gets the drop. Finally, a bit more confidence. Again, doesn't look to go to the big forehand. Got there, but couldn't quite do enough with it, Connie Perrin. Look at this, looking for the big forehand, the change up. Good disguise from Diana Marcin Kavicha. 5-9. Oof, it's a big serve.
Mr. Nandan Bal, an instrumental figure in Indian tennis, watching closely. A lot of underspins, cutting those, and chipping and charging in comes Connie Perrin. They're loving it. Nothing seems to be going wrong for the Patriots.
And with that point, Connie Perrin has ensured that she can't lose this first women's singles. She's got to double digits, and there's the win. 11-5 with the ace from Connie Perrin. Taapsee loving it on the sidelines. She needs a comeback. Diana Marcinkovic. It won't happen. That is a big win. We expected it. And Connie Perrin delivers. 14-6. That means Punjab are almost there. It is one massive step towards the semi-finals. Connie Perrin take a bow.
Speaking of those underspins, and there she's celebrating, and why not? The owner, the brand ambassador. The action continues. It's the men's singles. A confirmation. 14-6 at the moment, the lead for Punjab. A massive 8 points. On the other side, we return.
चल आ जा मैदान में चल आ जा मैदान में
A near perfect start for Punjab, and the worries continue for Pune. Lucas Rosol will be looking to show everyone in this stadium what the Jaguars are made of. Can he entertain the home crowd? Punjab will look to add on to that lead. And look at the roar on point number 1. That's the hunger. They are pumped here, Team Punjab. Lucas, of course, beat the great Rafael Nadal on centre court at Wimbledon. He's got the much needed experience of playing on the biggest stage. Beating Nadal and also winning the Davis Cup in 2012, Lucas Rosol. And those 2 points, an indication of his caliber, of his talent. Ritwik Chaudhary Volipalli. He will be in action soon in the doubles as well. So the tie-break rules apply here. 1 serve followed by 2 serves from both sides. First to 11 wins the game. First to 41 wins the match. 20 points in each game. And the energy from Diggy. That is an indication of how good this team is feeling. The dugout is enjoying themselves. They're all a happy unit. 8 points the difference in the overall scores. Diggy from the deuce side now. The opening match, of course, going the way of the Delhi Binnies Brigade team. This is good. The energy and the celebration at the end of every point. He is pumped, and Taapsee Pannu enjoying this. She's bringing in the Lady Luck to the Punjab side. What a performance so far. Wow! Digvijay Pratap Singh is on a roll. Connie Perrin can't believe it. This man is playing some high quality tennis. What a shot! Gets it. 5 each. Not much separates them in this game.
On the turn. We expect the big serves, and we get them from both these men. Pune still trailing by 7. Over to you, Diggy. Got to play the left chord, and he misses. Smart work from Lucas Rosol. It's not really part of the instinct to put it back, and he does that. Nandan Bal likes it. Rosol this time doesn't miss. And he doesn't miss on more than one occasion too often. He's 1 point away from ensuring Pune can't lose this men's singles. 6-9. Punjab still leading by 5. Pressure on the second serve. Rosol looking in good nick. Oh, doesn't trickle over. And Lucas Rosol does it for Pune. Gets to the double-digit mark. And now pressure on Punjab. The big forehand exchanges. On the run, but he misses. Diggy had the open court, just makes him play the extra ball. Good work from Rosol, and that is the win for the Jaguars in the men's singles. Got the lead at 11-6. Says, yeah, I'll take that. Erase the deficit from the women's singles. And he does exactly what they want. What a scoreline after losing the women's singles 6-14.
Lucas, no mean campaigner. He's taken out Rafael Nadal on centre court at Wimbledon. And he gets the win here. The final scoreline 13-7. You want this from someone with the experience of Lucas. That'll do some good to the Pune scoreline. A much needed relief for the Patriots.
Sit tight, because after the two men's and women's singles, you've got the mixed doubles, men's doubles. This one could go the distance. Stick around. It's over to game number 3 of this match between Pune and Punjab. Diana and Ritvik Bulipalli up against Connie Perrin and Arjun Khade. This is a side that packs a punch. Arjun Khade and Connie Perrin to serve. That's the start they wanted. Arjun with the serve. Connie closes it out at the net. Punjab though, the favourites, and that's a great lob from Connie Perrin. Sets it up for Arjun Khade. That's why this combination is so lethal.
Yeah, a little bit of miscommunication. Maybe Diana thought she had a look there. She couldn't do much after that smash came right next to her. Goes after, both of them going after Connie Perrin. And they are rewarded. Intelligent from Ritvik. Kept that cross court going, and then comes Diana, who's not had the best of forms, targeting Connie's backhand side.
Not easy either, those two backhands for Diana. And at the moment, still got the lead overall. Again, using the lob, Connie Perrin. Nicely done by Diana, but unfortunately not the best lob on the reverse from Ritvik Bulipalli, and Arjun Khade, he is all over it.
AK-47 says the jersey of Arjun Khade explodes, bounces on that smash, and the celebration says it all. Tapsi Pannu. Now Ritvik looking to stamp his authority into this game. Comes up with that big kick serve, opens up the court, takes that.
I like the way Pune are still in it. For Punjab, they believe they've already made it through because they've got the confidence. They're riding on Arjun Khade. There's another big ace from the big man. And again, back-to-back first serves. They can't lose it now, Punjab. They've hit the magical double figure mark. 10-7 they lead.
First one to the Swiss. Will he go to the backhand? He does. And draws the error. Smart stuff from Ritwik. Concerned looks. They've not really been able to get the results they would have liked. Pune. That's that serve. Drive volleys this. And he gets 2 quick points. That's good. 1 to tie this now for Pune. 2 quick points in succession on the Ritwik serve.
And an opportunity for Pune to draw level. Oh, there you go. Frustration. And for Diana Kavicha and for Ritwik Bulipalli, that is a very good result. A comeback for the Jaguars, and they draw level at 10 apiece. So there you go, 2 down, then a tie at 10 apiece, and now finally the men's doubles on the other side of a short breather.
चल आजा मैदान में चल आजा मैदान में
Here we go. It's game number 4. The final game of this match. And it's a men's doubles. Lucas Rosol and Ritwik up against Arjun Kade and Diggy. Here we go. Arjun Kade to serve. Starts with a good first serve, as you'd expect from Arjun. Extends the lead to 3. Over to you, Ritwik. What have you got? He's got a big first serve too. But it's been put under pressure by Arjun Kade's return. And Diggy, Punjab Patriots, they want this badly. They're the team that are primed to not just qualify, but qualify in top contention too. They want one of those top 2 spots. Rosoldo bounces back for Pune.
That was an easy put away for Ritwik. He had the perfect setup here. Could have sent this in Arjun's direction. This game will decide the fate of these teams. And at the moment, Punjab controlling their destiny really well. Diggy, not get carried away here. The job's not done for Diggy. That's it. That's the touch. Arjun says, stay, stay, keep it going. It's not over till it's over. Straight to Diggy goes Ritwik, and that man was ready. He was waiting. So close to the lines, the margins so small at the moment.
There's a little bit of gamesmanship going on between Ritwik Bulipalli and Digvijay as well. He saw the open space, and look at this. Look at this reaction. He says, yep, come on. The energy is lifted in the stadium. Now the lead to Punjab, 8-7. And there's the ace. There's the big serving Arjun Kade. When they need it most.
1 point. And Punjab win this match. They do! Joining Delhi. Pretty much confirming that semi-final spot. Pune Jaguars now officially losing all 5 of their matches.
Ankita Bhamri, the team mentor, loving life at the moment. Oh, loving it. Absolutely loving it. And more pressure. More carnage. There we go. That's my boys, she says. Arjun Khade and Diggy. Missiles from the baseline. Deft touch from the near court. Look at that. Connie Perrin, the rest of that unit, all up in arms. Punjab, top of the leaderboard and climbing. 42-36 the scoreline. Seven, 11. 2 points left. There's one of them heading the way of Pune and Ritwik. 8-11, the final point of this match. That's the final point. It goes to Punjab. They win the men's doubles 12-8. That's exactly what they needed from this fixture. Ritwik Bulipali and Lucas Rosol will say goodbye to Pune. But these two men should march on. Connie Perrin, one of the stars of the show for me. She took the win in the women's singles 14-6. And it set the tone for the rest of the encounter. And it's a terrific win. Diana Marcinkiewicz lost 6-14, and that really put Pune in a spot of bother. From there on, they came back strong. Lucas Rosol with a terrific performance, winning 13-7. Then the mixed doubles, better from Diana, and they tied it up at 10 apiece. Finally, Arjun Khade and Digvijay Pratap get the win 12-8